Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining constraints. Pick a canvas size and lock a limited palette to force clear shapes and silhouette. Once done, set grid and pixel-perfect pen so every stroke aligns. Make sure to enable onion skin for planned animation later and create layers for base, shading, and details. That separation speeds iteration. You want a readable shape at thumbnail scale, so sketch a single color silhouette first and refine edges before adding internal detail or extra colors. You now build form, block and main masses with solid colors to establish proportion and posture. Flip the canvas off into spot asymmetry and use the transform tool to nudge limbs. This keeps iteration fast. Once the silhouette reads, lay down midtones on a new layer, then place shadows and highlights. Work with one light source so values stay consistent. Make sure to use dithering or selective anti-aliasing sparingly. These techniques increase texture without muddying your limited palette. Finish by cleaning edges and applying micro anti-alias to critical curves so the character reads at small sizes. Next, set up keyframes for basic motion, walk, or idle, using onion skin and timing adjustments to test weight and follow-through. This helps the design stay coherent in motion. When satisfied, export as indexed PNG or sprite sheet with your palette preserved, then preview in the target game resolution. If edges look noisy, reduce colors or rework anti-aliasing. Redo the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.